Hi, we're back again. If you're wondering, this is my Facebook page and also my business, which you can go on Facebook and like and keep up regular updates of what I get up to. But I was talking about another falcon coop coming in. The ute is now residing somewhere else for now, but this is another customer's car, and you guessed it, it's rusty, as always. I'm like, yay! Oh well, they're always bad. This bit will be fun. The gutters, I'm not particularly fond of that. Somebody's had a bit of a start at it, but see, I'd never do that. I don't know why that was cut out like that, and then the piece is just gone, so that'll be fun to rebuild. Yeah, the only good bit of this car is the firewall and engine bay is actually pretty good. It's a factory V8 XC Falcon Coupe GS, not a Fairmont, although all XC Falcon Coupes are either a Fairmont or a GS. You never got base model ones, because at that point they were getting rid of all the crap. So that's why they all got GS dashes and all the good stuff. It also is a factory 4-speed car from the numbers. So well, I'm not sure the colour was the best for a manual car, but I would have dealt with it. Floors are good, that's something. But as you can tell, she's crusty. No problem for me. This is my bread and butter. I do this all the time, every day of the week. So, but yes, that's another coupe. It's hard to tell because it's nicely covered up, but that's a good one. That's a beautiful car. As far as rust-wise, that one's got virtually nothing in it. And we're back onto this today. We're doing a week on this one. We're going to try and get some more of it done. Try and get all this boot channel done. Up there and the pillars. Finish off down there. I did replace the inners on this yesterday, which means I've got an outer to put on. And then I've got to do that little bit, and then we can put it on the ground, and it doesn't have to come back up again. Oh, and then I've got to do the gutters. That'll be fun. Focus. Wow. Yeah, and then obviously this one will be equally as fun as the ute was, because that firewall is not as good as it looks. So yeah, that's where we're at. A little update for the shop. Busy, busy, busy. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and tell your friends.